So guys, let's check the all new Ford EcoSport 2020 BS6 car. This Thunder pack, you will see bold large grills with black color, and as well as you will see black decals comes with the car, character lines, large character lines, which gives this car a bold muscular looks, as well as this car is made by boron steel. So it comes with a 9-inch touchscreen music system with automatic climate control, brown interior, black and brown interior, tilt and telescopic steering. It has Bluetooth connectivity also, as well as sunroof, push button start stop, and rear parking camera. You will get rear parking camera view in this screen. Okay, it has sunroof, comes with sunroof. That it has an exciting features that tip and tumble seat facilities comes in Ford EcoSport Thunder model. I want to show you that. Just have a look. In the rear portion, you will get a defogger, rear defogger with rear washer wiper. And here you will see that diamond cut alloy wheel options, which covered with a stepney cover. Particular this variant offers this stepney cover, comes with this variant, and you will also get a rear parking camera sensor with this variant. You guys, you like this content, so please like and subscribe our channel, available in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, each and every social community websites. And for any queries related to this product or any other product, drop your question and we will give you answer from our end. Thank you.
Hi guys, hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.
So please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon button for all kind of notifications for your motoring needs. And moreover, for any kind of feedback, please do feel free to post at the below comment box section, and we shall really reply you as soon as possible.